I'm Dave and welcome to Rhythm Guitar for Absolute Beginners. In part 2 we learned a new chord, D. Now with these three chords, G, C and D, I want you to practice Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver. So I'm going to play it for you now with a very simple rhythm pattern. Okay, and you can see how I change chords at the same time. So, Leaving on a Jet Plane, G, C and D, and a very simple rhythm pattern. So, thanks for watching. Happy practicing.